welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this bomb hair tutorial on some hair from Westkid's Hair. I went ahead and added some curls to the body wave. So y'all, this is how it came. It looks so good. Listen, my curling done got somewhere from what it used to be. So make sure you guys check out Westkid's Hair, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. Alright you guys, so my layers of glue have dried, and now I'm just going to pull that right over and tap, 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 tap. The lace is literally laid. Alright you guys, so I'm just going ahead and getting the baby hairs out. Now I'm going to be taking my Slickum spritz, and I'm just going to spray some on my finger, and I'm going to tap it on my lace. It literally just melts in the lace a lot better. And I'm going to take my Wet Kiss Melt Band. Super cute. I love pink. And I'm just going to spread that along my forehead. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes, and I'll come back on the camera once it's dried up and we can begin the baby hairs. Alright you guys, the 10 minutes are up, so let's take off this band. This band is tight. Ooh, bam. Wow, like, let's get to it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start my baby hairs. So because this lace is just so nice and seamless, I am going to skip out on the middle part, baby hair, and I'm just going to do side baby hairs. So I'm gonna start off with this side. And I'm just going to go ahead and pluck out a little bit. As well as this side. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut off that excess baby hair. And then I'm gonna pull out about the same amount on this side. Alright, you guys, now I'm just going to go ahead and trim down my baby hairs a little bit. And I'm just going to go this way first. And I'm going to do the seam to the side. So I'm going to be taking my baby hair glue, and this is the 8-ounce gel. And oops, I had it flipped upside down. And I guess I'll start with this side first. And I'm just using my fingers and directing the baby hairs through. So just like that. There's like a little fluff right here, so I'll just leave that included in. No, I won't. I don't know why both my baby hairs always fall completely different. It's like frankly annoying. How it looks, it goes more than past my buddy, my baby. And this is how it came. I haven't really brushed it out or anything like that, but I'm just gonna add some long curls to make it pop a little bit. And this is how it falls on me from the front. Looks so good. I'm gonna go in with my Sleek Mist spray before I begin to curl my hair. And this is just going to give it some moisture and protect it so it doesn't get too crispy while I apply heat onto it. Alright, you guys, so I finished one side. I'm going to do, oh my god, they came out so nice. So I'm going to do this side, and then once I finish this side, I'm gonna do the top on camera. So like this whole piece I will do on camera once I finish. Okay, so I'll come back once I'm doing this whole back. When the real Haitian say that slang, that shit sound crazy. Are the final results. They look so good. They look so juicy. They're like bouncy. And they look fire. So I'm wearing 30 inches, and even though I went ahead and long curled them, it's still super long. The hair. Alright, you guys, so I am wearing hair from West Kiss Hair. I am wearing body wave and 30 inches. This is a 13 by 6 lace front wig, and I went ahead and bleached the knots and plucked it a little bit. This is an HD lace. As you guys can see, it's like seamless. So the last things that I need to do to the wig is spray it with some Got To Be. And then I'm going to take a little tiny edge brush. So this edge brush was sent to me by West Kiss Hair. So I'm just going to lightly brush it down. And then I'm just going to comb that out. And also give it like a little bump like this. Just so it can have some definition. And I will just bump all of right here as well. So it's not like flat and boring. And it's got some oomph to it. See random strings of hair that's getting caught in like my lashes. So yeah, y'all, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching.